on an island, you really become aware of your resources, that they're not infinite, they're finite.
Moloka'i is a place that loves agriculture. It goes back to our old stories.
Tons of taro was produced in our North Shore valleys. We have the largest contiguous reef system in all of the United States of America. One huge 11,000 acres of reef that produce food.
The land is the chief, we the servants. If you can wrap your brain around that one, life can be real simple.
On Moloka'i, the largest employers are large agrochemical corporations.
And they generally utilize practices that are not environmentally sound.
So they're creating a huge dust bowl on our island. And we don't have that much soil.
The seed companies may be applying up to 80, 90 different pesticide formulations. What is happening when these chemicals are reaching the reefs, the ocean, or the rivers?